Coventry City Glass. Looking for high-quality double glazing at a price that won't break the bank? Then look no further than Coventry City Glass, Coventry's trusted and affordable double glazing specialists. With over 25 years of experience, we've built our reputation on quality workmanship, honest pricing, and outstanding customer service. We supply and install A-Rated Liniar Windows, energy-efficient doors, patio and bifold doors, composite doors, and beautiful conservatories, all designed to improve your home's comfort, security, and appearance. What makes us different? There's no middleman. You deal directly with the manufacturer and installer, giving you expert advice, no sales pressure, and the best possible prices. Every installation comes with our rock-solid 25-year guarantee, and as a Fencer-approved installer, you can trust that every job meets the highest industry standards. Whether you're replacing a single window or upgrading your entire home, Coventry City Glass delivers quality products, expert installation, and unbeatable value. Contact us today for your free, no-obligation quotation and discover why homeowners across Coventry choose Coventry City Glass for affordable double glazing they can trust.